Hi coders, CS Time channel here, and this video discuss about insertion at the end of a single linked list and Java programming implementation using Eclipse. Suppose we have a linked list like this, that the first node point by first, and then we have another node that point by new item. If you are asked to insert this new item at the end of a single linked list like this, then we have to have a pointer that point to the last node first, and then that pointer in the last node we tell to point to the new item. To do that, we need a help from another pointer. In this case, I'm using current. So I will assign current point to the first node, the node that point by first. And then I will keep on telling current to move to the next node until it finds null. So the current will go to the next like this, and then it will check. If it's not null, it will keep on going. It's not null, it will keep on going. Once it's find the null, it means the current is in the last node. Now we are ready to tell this current to link to the new item like this. Let's see the Java programming implementation using Eclipse. In the previous video, we already learned how to declare a node, how to initialize the node, how to display the node, as well as how to insert a node in the beginning of single linked list. Now let's see how to insert a node at the end of the single linked list. So we have to create the method of insert last, and then we will take the value of the node that you want to insert. Here I give a name new item, and then we have to create the object for the node, and then we pass the new item, which is the value that you want to insert at the end of single linked list. So when we want to insert a node at the end of single linked list, there are two possibilities. The first possibility is the single linked list still empty. Therefore, we need to check whether the head equal to null or not, like this. If the head is null, then we tell the head to point to the new node, the node that we just created. Otherwise, we need the help of one pointer. Here I use current that point to the head. I declare it as single node and it points to the head. We will tell the current to keep on moving until it finds the null. Like that. So when current.next not equal to null, then we tell it to keep moving. To make it keep moving, then we tell current is current.next. Once it meets the null, it means that's the last node. Since that's the last node, so we want to tell the current.next to point to the new node that we want to insert. And then since the new node that we inserted will be the last, then the new node should point to the null, like this. Now we can call it. Assume I have insert D. I will keep it like that. And then I want to call, I'll delete one. I'll insert last. So I insert Z in the last like that. Now let's see. At first we input D and then we insert Z in the last. At first D and then we insert Z at the last. We know Z the last when it points to the null. If we insert one more, say for example here X, then X should place in the last. Okay, like D, Z, and then X, and then null. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.